A new masterpiece of design and technology, a 3-deck displacement super yacht of 299 GT, measuring 38.76 meters in length and 8 meters in beam. Custom Line Navetta 38 has 4 decks, and it has been built in the Ferretti Group Superyacht Yard in Ancona. Great work, a triumph of style. The external design is by the architect Filippo Salvetti, and the interiors are designed by the studio of architects Antonio Citerio and Patricia Veal, together with the owners who dictated the style lines according to their elegant personal taste. She navigates in silence, with noise-absorbing technologies and with SCR systems that meet the latest stringent emission standards. The most advanced materials make it a powerful, lightweight and durable super yacht. The painted hardtop overlooks the 65 square metre sun deck. From here, you can admire the view while soaking in the jacuzzi or lounging in the sun or relaxing on the sofas next to the bar unit. All the furnishings, including the exterior ones, were designed exclusively for this model. On the upper deck, the alfresco dining area for 10 people is in perfect harmony with the adjacent Sky Lounge, set up as a cinema room with a 65-inch TV screen. A 50 square metre area with windows that can be opened on 3 sides. In the port forward area of the same deck is a pantry equipped with a wine cellar, the main home appliances, a microwave and ice maker. Further forward is the wheelhouse communicating directly with the captain's cabin. Vertical dashboard displays arranged in 3 separate locations allow perfect control of instrumentation and navigation, with excellent views through windscreens that filter out infrared rays, reducing them by 65%. Forward, also on the upper deck, is an expansive area with several lounging areas where you can lie in the sun, and an open-air living area. Below is a garage for toys up to 2.85 meters in length. The beach club, just a few centimeters from the sea, expands by opening up its sides and offers a space of immense pleasure to its guests, on the sofa facing the sea or on the other freestanding furniture complements. The garage houses a 5.65-metre Williams jet tender and other toys. The hauling and launching system is easy to use and very functional. In the living area, as everywhere, every piece of furniture is custom designed with styles and workmanship that define the class and originality of each element. The height of 2.05 meters and the 2 wide sliding doors on the side offer a feeling of considerable width and constant contact with the sea. The 55-inch television mounted in the ceiling appears only when necessary. 12 diners sit at the table. The crew can move around without crossing the rooms dedicated to the owner and his guests. The galley is also accessible from the portside walkway and is equipped to provide a high level of service. In the inner hallway is the entertainment rack. The owner's suite is superb, tailor-made and designed with exceptional craftsmanship, just like the entire interior. Over 40 square meters and a king-size bed with a beautiful woven leather headboard. Along the sides, long rectangular windows flood it with light. The walk-in closet is for 2, and several solutions are possible for arranging a personal wardrobe, furniture, sofa and desk completed. The bathroom has separate double-entry facilities and a shower that can be used as a steam room. The beauty of materials and finishes is equally present in the 4 guest cabins, which cover a total area of nearly 70 square meters. The 2 VIPs are larger and have double beds, walk-in closets and a convenient vanity. In the other 2 cabins, a double bed and 2 bunks with optional 3rd Pullman bed. All have long windows, large TV screens and ensuite bathroom. 3 double cabins with ensuite bathrooms, a common dining area and a galley are dedicated to the crew. Custom Line Navetta 38 is a magnificent, made-to-measure superyacht.